Hello and welcome to another episode of Colorful Finance. In this video we will review the top affiliate programs for beginners in 2022. Without further ado, let's begin the video. If you're new to affiliate marketing, it can be hard to know what program to pick. With so many programs and promises everywhere, it can be difficult to know who is best for your needs. But don't worry, this article will hopefully make things a little clearer for you. I've already made all your mistakes and more, so you don't have to. It feels great to be able to share my favorite affiliate offers with you so you can start using them straight away. This list is the best place for beginners to start. 1. Fanfuel. Fanfuel is the affiliate arm of Wolfson Brands, a company that specializes in products for the health and fitness market. What sets them apart from their competitors is that their products are used and endorsed by professional athletes as well as health and fitness experts. Their product line includes brain enhancement supplements, hair loss treatments, and other cosmeceuticals for the skin. You have a range of products that appeal to different audiences and niches. One benefit of no in-house affiliate network is that you can earn more because there's no middle agent. Affiliates that promote offers in this review will earn 40% commission on each sale. That's higher than some of the other affiliate programs we looked at, which top out around 35%. Why you should promote Fanfuel? Their commission rate is generous and their product offering is varied, which gives us a better understanding of affiliate negotiations. The commission for a sale of our health supplements is 40%. A cookie expires after 90 days. You can get paid by bank transfer, PayPal or Payoneer. 2. 𝐥𝐤𝐤 Affiliate Network. Commission Junction is allegedly the largest affiliate network in the world. They represent thousands of advertisers across many different industries and markets, so it's likely you'll find at least a couple programs to promote that fit into your chosen niche. New affiliate marketers stand to benefit from the fact that they will get a dedicated affiliate manager in most cases. These people will be able to provide a lot of advice and insight into what it takes to succeed. The interface is also intuitive, and you get lots of training materials via 𝐦𝐨𝐬 University. You're also paid on a net 30 basis, so it shouldn't take months to earn commissions. One downside is that your online store has to be fully functional in the Commission Junction application process. As an affiliate marketer, you are lucky to work with leading brands and competitive commission rates as standard. You also have the benefit of experienced affiliate managers. Commission. The amount varies by program. 3. Clickbank Affiliate Program. Clickbank is one of the oldest affiliate networks, starting in 1998. And while it's not quite as strong as it once was, Clickbank can still be a valuable source of income for affiliates. If you have a niche, there are multiple ways to monetize it. Display ads and affiliate programs, for example, can be quick to set up and provide a solid return. Some people might not be aware that Clickbank is a great place for digital products which often get overlooked. These products may take more time compared to others to find and promote, but there are tons of opportunities out there. The same applies for their healthcare and beauty products, which can be very lucrative with the right approach. But when it comes to earning more money as a Clickbank affiliate, the payoff is in the commissions you can make. Consider this example: an inexperienced affiliate marketer can make $100 plus profit by generating just one referral. There are many benefits from using an AI writer, such as recurring revenue, providing a level of copy that's almost indistinguishable from a human author, and convenience. To get the most from Clickbank, it is important to choose offers which will be targeted at the right audience. You should promote Clickbank because they have many products for different markets, and the commission rates are good too. Commission rate depends on the product you are promoting. Cookies are set to expire after 60 days of inactivity. You can pay for them in a variety of ways, including bank transfer or wire. Our products include digital information and health supplements. 4. Market Health Affiliate Program. Market Health operates on a hybrid affiliate marketing model. They are an affiliate network but also manufacture and distribute their own range of health and beauty products. Affiliates can advertise the products of their choice to different audiences without having to sign up for multiple affiliate programs, which would have many otherwise unused offers. They produce products for a wide range of markets, such as men's health, weight loss, and teeth whitening. They also have pet health products, and their new releases are always rather interesting to share with your audience. One of the best things about working with the affiliate marketing tip team is that they come with a lot of industry experience, so they're always on the lookout to help you make as much money as possible. Why you should promote Market Health? You get to market a wide range of products and earn commission on every sale. They have high commission rates and an excellent customer service team who can assist you whenever you need it. Earn an average of $510, $1,160 per month with their affiliate program. Initial commission rate is 60% or $75 per sale, depending on the offer, plus 30% recurring for up to 30 days. Produce content about beauty products and health supplements, as well as promoting them on your website, blog, social media pages, and more. 5. NordVPN Affiliate Program. Our friends at NordVPN started their company with one single VPN server in 2012. Since then, the service has grown to offer thousands of servers for its more than 14 million customers worldwide. A competitive niche, but VPNs are experiencing 11% growth per year, and there's plenty of opportunity around. NordVPN is an industry trailblazer, being one of the first to accept Bitcoin. It has an affiliate program that does not charge upfront costs. NordVPN is promoted heavily by YouTube and social media influencers like Casey Neistat and Philip DeFranco. And it has good quality, which is most likely why they're so popular. But the other side of it is that influencers usually only promote products that convert well. Those are the ones that make money from promoting them. Their affiliate marketing program offers 40% commission for all new accounts for those who sign up through your link. This is one of the best affiliate programs out there. Looking for a program in the personal and internet security niche? Check this one out. Why you should promote NordVPN. They're an established company in the area of internet privacy and security with a great affiliate program and competitive commission levels. The commission rate is 40% and products are VPN. 6. AWIN Affiliate Program. AWIN is a powerful affiliate network with an international reach. As of their last report, the publisher and advertiser count numbers 14,180 respectively. That puts it in good company with popular networks like CJ Affiliate. And that's a real shame because they have some really interesting advertisers you won't find anywhere else. These are mainstream products available for exposure on AWIN. It's great that many of their advertisers don't feel like it is necessary to list your affiliate program anywhere on their site, as this means they trust us to give you the best experience possible. They might have a list of great browsing items that would be affiliate links if the link is broken. Some of the newer AWIN features are a little messy and confusing. It does the job, but it could be cleaner to improve usability. Some affiliates might be put off by their $5 fee, which is refundable. While this practice makes sense and has prevented many scams, it can be hard for some people to understand. There are many reasons to use AWIN, an affiliate network with a wide range of advertisers and a diverse audience. Along with their selection of tools, the network helps you increase revenue in a multitude of different niches. The amount you earn will vary depending on the commission rate that is set. They also offer various payment methods and products to choose from. 7. ShareASale Affiliate Program. One of the oldest affiliate networks in the business, ShareASale is home to over 4,000 merchants and was acquired by AWIN in 2017. Still, it operates today under the ShareASale name. Their interface might not be the prettiest, but they're certainly less limited in comparison to other networks. You'll also find a range of other services on offer that may be more niche, such as incorporating a business, seeds, or tooth alignment. These are all the niches you might be missing out on because you're too busy trying to be the wire cutter. A good reason for new affiliates to sign up with ShareASale is that they welcome newbies and won't kick you off the network if you don't meet a certain quota. Unlike most affiliate networks, including some of the more popular ones. Why you should promote ShareASale? They're a network that offers all sorts of products to suit your niche, from physical items like books to software services and everything in between. Commission rate varies. Cookie duration, it depends. Payment methods, check, direct deposit, Payoneer. Products, big variety. 8. Semrush Affiliate Program. Semrush is one of the most popular SEO tools on the market. It offers a wide spectrum of features for all sorts of data analysis, including keyword research and page optimization, perfect for those who want to be up to date with their marketing efforts. That's why so many SEOs promote it on their blog posts and social channels. For any referral that chooses a paid account. It's also one of the oldest affiliate programs we reviewed in this video. Why you should promote Semrush? There's no denying that this is one of the best SEO tools out there, and it's also one of the highest paying affiliate programs you can join. You'll get up to $200 commission per sale, a cookie duration of 120 days. They accept PayPal, checks or direct deposit. For wire transfers, please contact them for rates. Thank you very much for staying until the end of this video. If you enjoyed our content, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.